Hello, everyone, and a big welcome to Mrs. English Talk, where we practice real English for real life. My name is Sarah, and honestly, I'm really happy you're here.
Hi, Sarah, and hello, everyone. I'm Mike, and yeah, I'm very happy to be here today, too.
It's great to have you here, Mike. So, how are things going today?
I'm doing well. Well, actually a little tired, to be honest, but good. I have my coffee, so that definitely helps. How about you, Sarah?
I'm good too, thanks. I had a really calm morning, and honestly, that makes a big difference for me.
Yeah, definitely. A calm morning is always a good sign.
It really is, and actually, that's sort of our topic today.
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about our daily life. You know, our everyday routines.
Right. Just the small things we all do every single day, morning, afternoon, and evening.
Yeah, everyone has a routine, right? Even if they say like, oh, I don't really have one.
Before we jump in, just a quick thing.
Yes, if you enjoy listening to our conversations, please give this video a like. It really helps us.
And if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. English Talk.
And feel free to share this episode with a friend who's learning English.
Okay, Mike, let's start with the morning. Be honest, are you a morning person?
Honestly, no, definitely not. Mornings are pretty hard for me.
Really? That's funny, because I'm the opposite. I actually like mornings.
Wow, I don't know how you do that. For me, the alarm clock is, well, it's kind of my enemy.
Oh dear. So, do you press the snooze button?
Oh, yes, many times, like 5 more minutes and then, 5 more.
That sounds very familiar. What about you? Since you like mornings, what's the first thing you do? Well, I wake up early and honestly, the first thing I do is make coffee.
Ah, coffee. Very important.
Yes, I sit quietly and just enjoy it. No phone, no noise, just a quiet moment.
That sounds really peaceful. I usually check my phone right away, which is maybe not the best habit.
What about breakfast?
Breakfast is, well, it's very simple for me. Usually toast or a banana, just something fast.
That makes sense. I like a small but healthy breakfast. Usually yogurt, maybe some fruit or eggs.
Wow, you're very organized, Sarah.
I try. After breakfast, I usually take a shower and get dressed.
For me, getting dressed is actually pretty easy.
Oh, really? Why's that?
Well, I wear almost the same clothes every day. Simple shirts, simple colors, no thinking required.
Honestly, that makes life much easier.
After that, sadly, it's time for work.
Yes, my work day is usually pretty busy. Emails, meetings, just, talking to people all day.
Same here. And then around 3 in the afternoon, I start feeling really sleepy.
Ah, yes, the famous 3 p.m. slump.
Exactly. I usually have to drink tea or walk around a little just to wake up.
I usually have a small snack, like an apple or some nuts. So, finally, work ends. What do you usually do in the evening, Mike?
First, I go home, and this is important. I change into comfortable clothes.
Oh, totally. That's the best feeling.
Then it's dinner time. Sometimes I cook, but sometimes I just order food.
Do you like cooking?
Not really. To be honest, I keep things very simple.
See, I actually enjoy cooking. It kind of helps me relax after a long day.
After dinner, I usually just watch TV or listen to something relaxing.
Nice. I like reading or maybe going for a short walk.
And what time do you usually go to bed?
I try to be in bed around 10 p.m. I really like to sleep early.
Wow, 10. That's early. I usually go to bed much later.
Well, that probably explains why mornings are so hard for you.
Yes, you're right. It really does.
So that's our daily life from morning to night.
Yes, simple routines, but, very real.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like, comment, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, are you a morning person like me?
Or are you a little more like me?
We'd really love to read your answers.
Thanks for listening to Mrs. English Talk. See you next time.